all of you are welcome here at the demo area to join us for the amazing session going to happen right here by ACE. And the machine they are representing is Backhoe Loader AX124. So the stars of today's show includes the Power AX124 Backhoe Loader AX124, a range of versatile attachments designed to suit every job requirement. And also, all these machines are presented in their signature color, emphasizing their unique identity. You all can see this beautiful color. This is their signature color, which emphasizes their unique identity and unparalleled design. The attachments showcased in today's demo include standard bucket, heavy duty fork, hydraulic breaker, multi-purpose combination bucket, auger and sweeper.
Wow,
and there you all can see how the machine can get tilted and its size. This is very amazing. The Backhoe AX124 Backhoe Loader, a machine that redefines performance and durability. So here you all can see the machine is in the air right now. Oh my god, this is very amazing. So now you all can see how safe this machine is for the operator, how comfortable it is for the operator, and also how stable it is. Alright,
wow.
So this is the AX124.
Backhoe Loader is dancing.
You all can see. This is very durable, very stable, and also most comfortable for the operator. So now let's talk about what makes the AX124 the industry leader. First of all, you all can just see this thing right here, why we call it as an industry leader. So it has powerful engine, hydraulic precision, operator comfort and unmatched durability. Alright, so now you all can see the machine is even able to rotate 360 degrees at its own axis. This is truly versatile. So let's talk about its powerful engine, which is equipped with the latest Stage V compliant engine. The AX124 ensures maximum fuel efficiency while delivering high torque for demanding operations. And the AX124 features a high-flow hydraulic system providing unmatched control and productivity. And the most important part, operator's comfortability. This is designed with a spacious cabin, ergonomic controls and all-around visibility, which ensures operators stay comfortable and productive during extended shifts. So the durability, it has an unmatched durability with a reinforced chassis and heavy duty axles. The AX124 is built to withstand the harshest environment and toughest jobs. All right. The most amazing part you all can see.
Wow.
Mr. Sanjay is now outside the machine and the machine is working on its own. Kya baat hai? This is truly amazing. So now this is looking
Backhoe
like
Loader
an
is
action
moving
film.
without
So can we
operator
have a big
now?
round of
Wow.
applause for Mr. Sanjay, everybody? Come on.
Woo!
All right, kya baat hai? Here we have Mr. Sanjay, everybody. Please give a big hand for Mr. Sanjay. How smoothly he's doing all the stunts. All right, so this is AX124 Backhoe Loader from Ace and Mr. Sanjay, the hero of the day.
Backhoe is moving without
Truly
operator.
versatile,
Amazing.
truly
This is
and
the
we are having an amazing operator as
true
well.
machine,
Everybody,
Backhoe Loader
I would like to
is
tell you all, please give a big
AX124.
round of applause for the machine and for the operator, Mr. Sanjay. So let me tell you all, the AX124 also boasts a digging depth of 5 meters, allowing for enhanced productivity and versatility. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the AX124 Backhoe Loader, built to lead and perform beyond expectations. So now you all know why we call it an industry leader. This is why AX124 an industry leader. So I would like to tell you some things about its attachments. Attachments are where the magic happens. Let's dive into capabilities of our backhoe loader attachments. The hydraulic breaker demonstrates its power in breaking through tough surfaces effortlessly. The auger showcases precision in drilling operations, ideal for construction and landscaping projects. And the sweeper attachment keeps job sites clean and efficient, which saves time and labor costs. And also with the multi-purpose bucket, you will see how easily the AX124 transition between loading, digging and material handling. So you all can see how beautiful this machine is looking and how smoothly it's working. Each attachment is designed to enhance the AX124's capabilities, ensuring you get maximum value and versatility. So this is AX124 Backhoe Loader by Ace, everybody. They are truly versatile. So here's presenting AX124 Backhoe Loader by Ace. So this was the machine, everybody. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, can we have a big round of applause for the machine and for the operator?